One of the mistakes that upcoming content creators make is putting their hope on content creation, that as soon as you just come in, you're going to blow, you're going to get monetized, and you're going to start making money from content creation. Look, let me tell you, there is enough money in content creation, but you have to create enough content. Yes, you have to create enough content, and it is the more content that you have on your channels, on your platform, that is going to get you monetized. Don't think that if you go and pay someone to get you monetized, get enough followers, you're going to know. Now, for example, YouTube require 4,000 watch hours in 12 months. Meanwhile, Facebook requires 60,000 watch minutes in 2 months. Now, these are watch minutes. So if you don't have enough videos, how will you reach this? So the secret you need to do is to shoot most videos. So don't just come in here and think you're going to get monetized without doing anything. Shoot more videos. Shoot more videos. The more videos that you shoot, the more content you're going to have. So talking about shooting more videos, if you want to succeed on this platform, don't come in with a mindset that is a get rich quick scheme. You're just going to come in and hijack the money at once and you start blowing. No, it's not done like that. Nobody blows on this platform. Everybody grows. Everyone grows to step. So if you know you want to succeed on this platform, do not come in with the idea of, with the mentality that you just come in at once and explode. Come in to stay and build. Come in like a farmer. Do not come in like a hunter. If you come in as a hunter on this platform, you're not going to succeed.